Alright, let's get OBS Studio installed. I'm going to go through the download, the install, a quick initial setup, go through the settings, and get it up and running and ready for you to start making videos. Here we go, let's do it. Alright, go to obsproject.com and then download, choose your OS and download the installer. And I've sped this up here. And let's launch it. Here you can set your preference for streaming or recording. Here you can set the resolution and the frames per second. And then click Next. It'll test multiple resolutions and frames per second, so we'll speed through this. And if everything looks good, we'll apply the settings. You have it now officially installed and set up the initial configuration. Alright, great! Hopefully everything worked out for you. It's a pretty basic install. So as you can see, there is an initial scene that is created, so let's add some input. Our initial scene gives us a microphone input, so we can click on the three dots and then properties and choose another input if needed. And let's add video, so we'll click on the plus and then video source. Default name is fine. Let's turn on our camera and click OK. Oh, we can go through properties here and then click OK. And then we can resize our picture if needed, or we can move to a different location that will fill the whole screen, or we can minimize and plop us down in the middle. You'll notice in my videos that I don't like to take up the whole screen and I like to have a background. So let's see how to add an image. Click the plus symbol under sources, then go to image. And default name is fine, click OK. And here we can browse for an image we want to use. And you can change it to default, or just click OK, and that is our background. And if you have a green screen, you can watch this video on how to blend into the background. But let's finish this video first. So you'll notice after we added the image, I disappeared. It's because the layers need to be in a certain order. So let's do that. Slide the image source down and celebrate. And this is enough to get you started. There's lots of options in OBS Studio, but this will allow you to start creating videos. One other thing is going through the settings. Click on the settings button on the right hand side, and here you can change your output options, where you save your files, the resolution, frames per second, your audio formats, your video resolutions, your frames per second. As you can see, there are lots of options you can go through. I'll do a more in-depth video in the future as I learn more functions, but for now, that's all I got. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video or if you found this video helpful, or leave any comments down below on things that I could learn or things that you found out that are very useful for creating videos. Until the next one, take care.